getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a short chit chat, finish getting ready with me. I did film this eye look, so I will link that down below if you want to see it. I was already set up and filming, so I figured I might as well get 2 videos out of today. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this face makeup, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I figured I would just do a chit chat get ready with me while I was doing my face makeup. I'm already sitting down to film, so why not get 2 videos out of it? So for primer, I'm going to go in with these 2, which is the Wet n Wild Coverall primer because my skin has been dry. And then I'm going to use the Cover FX blurring primer to fill my pores a little bit more. So today is my daughter's 2nd birthday. It's so crazy. When I'm filming this, it's her birthday. And she is napping right now, but it's so crazy that she's already 2. So I just focus that mainly right here on my cheeks where my pores are the worst, and then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild on the rest of my face, which I need to buy more because this one is almost out. So today I think we're just going to let her open her presents, and then next week when my sister and her family are here, I think we're going to do cake and ice cream. We just had family come stay in town with us again. My sister-in-law stayed with us like 2 weeks ago for I think 9 days, and then my father-in-law and mother-in-law just came and stayed with us over the weekend. I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Healthy Elixir. I'm going to use my Morphe M439 to buff that out. We've had kind of a lot of visitors the last couple, like the last month, so I pre-filmed and tried to get as many videos recorded as I could, so while they were here I wouldn't have to do YouTube stuff. So now it's just getting back into the swing of things of filming and testing stuff. I was on a no-buy for a while. I just ordered some stuff and I'm super excited to start trying that stuff out. I ordered kind of a lot of skincare. But if you guys could see, I don't know if you could tell before I put foundation on, but my skin has been clearing up. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it's the new skin routine that I've been doing or what. This looks too light for me on camera, but I promise it looks fine. I went to the doctor last week and was told that I have PCOS, and that's, I still don't know how I feel about that. So I've been taking, from what I've seen, I try not to do too much research because then I end up freaking myself out. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe sponge, but there's no cure for it, and there's no like medication that helps with it. There's just medication that's like for other stuff that helps with the symptoms. So that's what I've been doing. I'm pretty lucky because I already have my family. I have my 2 kids, and I know a lot of women suffer with infertility, so I mean, I'm happy that I have my family and everything, but it's still, I don't know, I guess it's still just kind of freaky. So that is what I have been kind of trying to come to terms with. So I'm going to go in with my concealers. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define and the Catrice Liquid Camouflage. I go in with C1 and I focus that right on my inner corners to really brighten. And then this is the shade 005 Light Natural. I put this on the rest of the face. Brody has also been sick. He got sick the night that my mother and father-in-law got into town, and we went to go see Mount Rushmore on Saturday because they've never seen Mount Rushmore, so that's where we went. Poor guy had a fever, and then I took him to the doctor and they said it was just a cold. So I was like, okay. So he hasn't been to school all week because he goes to school through the summer at his school right now, and then he starts kindergarten. Crazy. in August. I'm going to get my powder ready, so I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. And I'm going to use my Morphe E8 to set that. But yep, so that's what we've been doing. It is summertime and it's pretty nice. It was rainy all weekend. Like, we just missed the rain when we went to Mount Rushmore. Just barely. And then it started raining when we were leaving Mount Rushmore. So we got lucky and missed the rain doing that. But then all day Sunday it rained. All day until like 5 p.m. I'm definitely one of those people that the weather totally affects my mood. If it's like rainy and dreary, I'm like not up doing stuff, but if it's like sunny and nice and I have like the windows open and a breeze going through the house, I'll like get up and deep clean my house and do all these projects, and I'm like super productive. But if it's like rainy, I just feel like I don't want to do anything. And I'm going to take this Morphe E41 and set the rest of my face. I also reshaped my brows kind of, and I can't decide if I like it. One brow gets like way more hairs than the other one. This one right here is like way thicker than this one, so I always have to tweeze like a ton off of this brow. So have you guys gone on any fun trips or anything this summer? I am contouring with the Tarte Park Ave Prince Chisel palette. I just dipped into Carat. That's my like go-to contour shade. We are gonna try to go back home and visit in Idaho when my sister-in-law has her baby, which will be the end of August, beginning of September. So we're excited about that one. And then we're gonna try to make a trip to Washington sometime, by Spokane. That's where my father-in-law lives. So now it's our turn to go up there and visit them. Plus I like Washington, it's so pretty. And it'll be a fun trip because we haven't taken our kids to Washington. So why do I look so ghostly? This foundation really was not even like too light. I swear I pick a shade where I'm like, okay, normally this is a little more tan than I usually am because I've gotten quite a bit of sun. And then I put it on and like on my little viewfinder, I still look so ghostly. I don't know, man. That's weird. I'm gonna go into Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Pick up this Wet n Wild Holiday powder brush. This is my favorite bronzer brush. My hair is so crazy. So I just touched up the color, I think right before those in my last videos, and it was like super orange and not very pink because I accidentally put a little bit too much orange when I dyed my hair this last time. I've washed my hair twice. And then we went swimming, and usually swimming like kills my hair color, but it actually looks really cute right now, this hair color. I'm like so into this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my eyes and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I finished up the rest of my eyes. This is what the makeup look looks like. It was really simple. I was like on it today. I was so quick. My eyes were quick. My face makeup was quick. It was super quick today, but I figured I would just chit chat a little bit with you guys, tell you what's been going on in my life. Super fun stuff, some not so fun stuff, but thank you guys for watching this video if you got through it. Make sure to leave me a comment down below with any products or looks you want me to try out. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. And I post 3 videos every week. Like I said, I did film this eye look, so that will be linked down below if you want to go check out that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.